super gun.
Anyways, did you know what kind of plant is this? The scientific name of this plant is Chanca pedra. Yes, this kind of plant is many benefits. And the majority benefits of this plant is good for the kidneys and gallstones.
Wow!
It makes lower your blood cholesterol, pressure, and many more. So how to do this? To apply this, just put in the boiling water and extract and let them calm the water, hot water, and then if the water is what you call this, um, make it to drink. So that's the time it to drink. So make it empty stomach to absorb the nutrients and vitamins. That's all. See you next time.